This is Pooja Parihar, your English teacher from Ardent Progressive School, Lama Jod, Haldwani. And I hope that you all are doing good at your places with your parents and family members. Students, as you are well known about it, that we have already completed part 1, part 2 of Who I Am. This is the third part and an important part of this chapter, that is, what is your nature. So according to our interest, according to the our multiple intelligence, depends then what is your nature. So after knowing that, you will come to know that what is your nature. So here is description. Come to page number 78, working with language. So read this column about career in environment that is working to keep our world, the land, air, water and the people, animal and plants safe from natural and man-made dangers. Check out the personality profiles needed to be successful at different kind of careers in the environmental field. Find out whether you are more adventurous than your partner or whether your partner is a better inquirer than others. You may wish to prepare a personality profile of yourself, your partner. In groups, attempt some of the activities suggested at the end. Means that by reading all these, that what is your nature. So here are given some examples by which you will be able to know that what is my nature and future, what will be my career according to my nature and according to my intelligence. So earlier I have told you about the multiple intelligences, that if you are good in music, you are having musical intelligence. If you are having good in body structure, body control, physical strength, you are having a bodily intelligence. So this way, here are some nature by which you will came to know that what is my nature, and accordingly it will you can decide your career. If you will decide according to your nature your career, then you will be going to be successful in your life. Let's see what is your nature. Thinker or tinker. The right job needs the right kind of person. Depending on the kind of person you are, your personality type, you would be best suited for the particular kind of work. Find out which personality matches your best and what you would want to become. So students, it is given that it means that which kind of person you are depends by your nature, and according to your nature, if you will select the job, and a job is needs a perfect and that right kind of person, right kind of nature. So which kind of nature is yours, you will came to know just after reading all these personalities and all these nature. So if you will find out your career, if you will proceed with your nature's profession, that it will be better and it will be you will be successful in your job. Adventurous. Adventurous is a nature. Here are 5 kind of natures are given in this book: adventurous, creative, inquirer, communicator and idealist. From this 5 kind of nature, one will be yours. You have to identify, and according to the nature of yours, you have to choose your career. If you are doing so, if you will choose your career according to your nature, it will be beneficial for you, and in future you are going to be become a successful man. So earlier we have came to know, earlier I have discussed with you about the multiple intelligences. That is also a kind of nature. Here is nature. Nature is depend according to after that what you are and which kind of intelligence do you have. Your nature will define. So here are some types of types of nature. Let's read. First one is adventurous. You know the meaning of adventure? If you are having adventure inside you, you are an adventurous personality. Your nature is adventurous. So if you are adventurous, then you are stoic, determined, patient, romantic, calm, curious, physically tough, unflappable. So this way means if you are adventurous, then you will be determined that I have to do this. I have to take the chance for this and this adventure. So you are not going to afraid of anything. So you will be adventurous and determined to do something. Patient, because you have to if you want to do something, if you work something, or if you want to complete any task, so first of all you have to be patient. Patience should be inside you. Without patience, that is not possible. So calmness, you have to be calm in the different situations. There can be some critical situation in the completion of these adventurous tasks. So at that condition you have to be calm. And physically tough. Earlier we came to know that bodily intelligence. This is physically tough is also a kind of bodily intelligence. If you are bodily intelligence, that you can be an adventurous personality. You like adventure, traveling, outdoors, forest, trekking, wild creature, rain, climbing mountains, camping, and being alone. So this way, these are the you might have seen, you may know about the mountaineers and all these trekkers. They are physically and mentally tough personalities, and moreover they are calm and they are determined to do their job and determined to achieve the goal. So this is the, if you are adventurous, then there will be the quality inside you will be adventurous. You will be traveler, going to place to place. You kept on traveler. Outdoors means out from your home, different places, forests, fields, rivers. All these are called outdoors. And forests, rain, climbing mountains, camping in the forest, camping in the mountains. That is a kind of adventure. You are doing this. And being alone. And being alone means you are not want every time your parents, friend. No. If you are alone, that you will be able to achieve your goal. So this is all are the personality of a adventurous man, adventurous nature. You are good at biology, outdoor activities, keeping calm under duress, running along distances, dealing with bad weather, looking at the wild elephant in an eye. So if you are adventurous, if you do all these things, if you are good in mountaineering, camping, rafting, walking, traveling, then you will good at biology, outdoor activities, keeping calm under the critical situation, critical conditions, running along distances without hesitating, without getting tired. You will be able to run to long distances. Looking at the wild elephant in eye means if you find and between this trekking, mountaineering, outdooring, if there will be a wild animal there, so you are not going to afraid. You are making the eye contact with the elephant, lion and all. You can become a wildlife biologist, zoologist, botanist, naturalist, forest zoo curator, and veterinary doctor, biology teacher, environment educator, organic farmer, rural community worker. So these are these are outdoor activities. If you are good in gardening, if you are good in mountaineering, if you are good in doing adventurous activity, climbing trees, climbing mountains, all these are adventurous activities. So if you are good in these things, then your career, you can choose these career, you can be among these, you will be the best in wildlife biologist, zoologist. Zoologist is a person who used to know and you used to deal with geology. Geology means plants and greens, that is zoology. And botanist is related to botany, plants. And naturalist, about nature. And forester, the officer work in forest called forester. Zoo curator, the person who cure or zoo, that is zoo curator. He is able to make eye contact with the wild animal, and he is able to deal with all these wild animal, and he is able to understand their feeling, and he is able to connect with the wild animal. That if you are so, you can be a zoo curator. Veterinary doctor, a doctor who deals with animals called veterinary doctor. You can be veterinary doctor. And biology teacher, environment educator. You can become the educator who used to teach about the environment. So environmental educator. Organic farmer, rural community worker, the worker who used to work in rural areas called rural community worker. So this way, if you are adventurous, if you are having these kind of quality inside you, so you can proceed with these careers. Next, creative. You might have heard that this boy is very creative. He used to create so many pictures, nice creation. So if you are creator, then what is a creator? Creative, imaginative, artistic, dreamer, romantic, sensitive, liberal, cooperative, cordial, clever, perspective, humorous, intuitive. So if you are good, if you are a creative personality, you must be creative. In your nature there will be creation of different things. Imagination will be, you will be imaginative, you will be able to imagine so many things. Artists like drawing and all this, that is artist. And dreamer means you will be dream about doing a different thing, dream about that creating new things, knowing about new things, dreaming about new things. That's it, dreamer. A dreamer doesn't means you are lie down at night and there will be a dream. That is not dreamer. Dreamer means you have dream with open eye. And romantic, sensitive about the wild animals, sensitive about the nature, sensitive about the plants. Clever, smart, clever, then you have to take decision by your own, so you must have clever at that time. And perspective are to know the perspective of animal, people, and all this. You must have your own perspective. Humorous, intuitive, these are the qualities. If you are having that, you are a creative personality. Your nature is creative. You like colors, good design, outdoors, communicating, creating, writing, art, craft, watching films, nature walks, engaging with social issue, traveling, studying liberal arts. So if you are a creative, then you will like all these things. What are colors? You will like to deal with colors, good designs of houses, design of furniture, design of clothes, all this kind of designing, that is designer. And outdoors. And communicative means if you will be able to communicate with other, you will be able to think at others' point of view, and you will be communicate your own view to another. That is communicative. Creative writing, you are having creative writing in different style, as well as you will create stories, plays, poems. That is creative writing. Creative writing, art and craft, watching films, making films, nature walks. You love to go to forest, you love to go to garden, knowing about the different kind of plants, grains, and dealing with the natural things. That is nature walk. engaging with social issues, poverty, illiteracy, population, cleanliness, awareness. Okay, all these things is what that is social issues. Traveling, okay, and studying liberal arts, knowing about the liberal arts, studying the liberal art. If you are a creative personality, you will definitely love to do all these things. You will like to do all these things. Then you are good at art and craft, drawing, photography, creative writing, painting, dreaming, communicating ideas. So if you are creative, definitely all these quality would be inside you. You will having all the qualities. If you are having all the qualities, you can proceed with this career, that is a filmmaker, copywriter, graphic designer, artist, sculptor with a social concern who does developed communication project or work for NGOs. School teacher, community worker, wildlife artist, illustrator, environment educator, communicative expert. So if you are very good if you are creative, if you think that these all qualities inside you, so you can proceed with your career can be that filmmaker, copywriter, graphic designer, that is kind of a computer activity, graphic designing, and that artist, sculptor, and social person who used to develop communication with the different project, like I have already told you, like illiteracy, education, cleanliness, awareness, okay, all this thing, and used to work with society, social people, NGOs, non-government organizations, or school teacher, community worker, wildlife artist, illustrator, environment educator, communication expert. Communicative expert, like the person who is very good in communication, who is very good in dealing with people, that is communicative expert. And environment educator, the person who used to teach, who used to educate the people, students about environment, that is environmental educator. Next, if you are inquirer, so what are the qualities? You are systematic, logical, practical, organized, inquisitive, through outward looking, rational, studious, methodical, intuitive. If you are inquirer, if I say that inquire this thing, that who had stolen the pen of this girl, so what will you do? You will talk to the girl, talk to the rest of the students, talk to the other people. So what that is systematically you will deal with. That means you have to be systematic, logical thinking. आपको logical thinking लगानी पड़ेगी, सोचना पड़ेगा. What is the logic behind this? That is logical. And practical, organizing your thinking, your everything should be organized, and through outward looking means if this happened, then it can be this, it can be that. So that is outward outlook. Rational, studious about that methodical means that you are working with a particular method. You are thinking of with a methodical with a method, that is methodical. And studious means you have to be sensible, you have to be studious about your work. You like building and fixing things, finding reasons behind the phenomena, figuring out how things work, learning about the new technologies, doing maths and gadgets. Some people and some kids are very smart in gadgets, computers, smartphone, all these things. They learn very quickly. So that is what they are good in gadgets. These are called gadgets. And good in that finding reasons behind anything, any phenomena. If this happened, then what is the phenomenon behind this? What is the practical thing behind this? He used to think over it. and you know that logical thinking, finding reasons behind any phenomena, and making and building different thing and fixing them. This all these things you will like. And you are good at physics, mathematics, chemistry, fixing and repairing the plumbing and electrical gadget at the home, engineering, fantastic structure with Lego. So you know that you if you are having a small kid inside your house, so he and she definitely have the that that small boxes, and he and she has to make the building and different kind of structure. That find about, he inquire about the building, make the bridges. That is a kind of logical thinking. At that time he is using logical thinking, and that he will be good in physics, mathematics, chemistry, and repairing plumbing work, electricity work. And you might have seen some students, some people are very nice. They used to do their electrical work inside their home. They did need not to call the electrician for single work. He and she used to do his or her work by his or her own. And the engineering work, fantastic structure with Lego, this if you will definitely like. Then you can be you can be proceed with the career, an environmental engineer, bio engineer, chemical engineer, meteorologist, climatologist, toxicologist, water expert, appropriate technologist. These are the qualities, these are the career you can proceed with. You can be environmentalist, engineer, biological, chemical engineer, and the climatologist, toxicologist, water expert. So these are, if you are inquirer. Water expert will think that that this water is not in good in taste, then he will inquire about it. What is that's why he will be a water expert. Communicator. As earlier I have told, communication is like between you and me. Right now I am communicating, giving you, explaining you something. That is called communication. If you are telling your problem that, ma'am, how I will do this, I will convey you that, I will answer you. That is called communication. If we are good in communication, we will be able to convince another one. So that is called communication. So if you are good in communication, you are a communicator. You are confident, intelligent, creative, gregarious, and talkative, opinionated, alert, energetic, purposeful, forthright, sociable, and eloquent. Means if you are communicative, you will be definitely confident with how to communicate, and you will be intelligent, creative, gregarious, talkative. Communication is through talking, gossips, transfer of views to one another. That is communication. So you will be definitely talkative, confident, communicative, giving you views to other, taking views from other, and purposeful, sociable. The person who is not sociable, he won't talk to anymore. Limited, he will talk limited. That is not sociable, that is not communicable. Okay, if you are a communicator, you will definitely talks a lot, you will speak a lot. Then another one will give you so many clues, views, talks. That is talkative. You like reading, writing, thinking about the state of the world, politics, culture, arguing, traveling to the romantic places, meeting people, stating your opinion, intellectual pursuit, current affairs, cities. If you are communicative, you will like reading, writing, speaking to the people, knowing their views, and traveling to different places. And you will be like to politics, culture, arguing with the people, discussion with the people, knowing about the another opinion about different subject, and intellectual. And you will be definitely interested in current affair and cities, places and all. So you are good in literature, history, languages, communicating, debating, oratory, demanding your rights, sensitive to the injustice, interacting with all kind of people, intelligent like us, small, younger one, elder one, with everyone, to know about their views, to know that what they are doing, what they like to do. So this is the thing. You will like language, communicating with people, debating with people, arguing with people, demanding your rights, and if there will be any sensible thing or any injustice, you will definitely raise your voice about that. You are sensible about the injustice. So you can become documentary filmmaker, environmental lawyer, newspaper, magazine journalist, urban researcher, ecological historian, development consultant, communications expert, government official. Means if you are aware of all these things, all these rule and regulations, sensible, want to know about the people, so you can proceed. Your career can be like documentary filmmaker, environmental lawyer, newspaper magazine journalist. You can be a journalist, urban researcher who used to research about the urban places, village places, ecological historian, development consultants, that you kept on consulting, consult about the development of different things, and any government official. Last one is idealist. If you are idealist, you are hopeful, selfless, romantic, radical, frank, political, rebellion, socialist, free thinking, restive, passionate, visionary, helpful. So hopeful, you will be hopeful for your work. Selfless, you will think about other person also. You will be frank, you will be romantic, you will be political, you will be rebellious. Rebellious means if you think that this is against the right of this girl, so you will be rebellion, you will just oppose this. No, this is not done. So at that time you will become rebellious. And restive, passionate about your job, your work, about your social work. And visionary, there will be vision that this will be this will be this, that is called visionary. And helpful, you will definitely help to other. You will be selfless and helpful. You like to help other, to express your concern to injustice. Like I have told you that something will be wrong with a girl, that you will definitely raise your voice. So you will concern at the injustice. Social and cultural histories, understanding human psychology, a sense of community, people with social concern. So you will definitely know about the people, social, you will concern. Then if there will be any injustice, you will raise your voice, and you will be concerned with the social people, and you will talk to different people. So you are good at dealing with all kind of people, working in a team, demanding for your right, living frugally, making the most of any given situation, strategies, and writing letters, talking criticism, doing daring acts. Daring acts means like that you see that there will be any politician and he is just ruining the right of anyone. You will take the risk at that time to do something against that person. So you are very sensible about the rights of common people. So that's why you are idealist. Your ideology is that each and every person is equal. So that's why you will be that working in teams, and you will be able to deal with different kind of people, knowing about them, that how they are living, is there any problem with them or not. And sense of community. Community means your village, your mohalla, your city, your country. You will be sensible about that society and the community, and you will like to write letter, talking about criticism. Criticism is that if one say girl should not be like that, girl should not be wear this dress. So you will criticize that, no, this is not the way, this is she has also the right to do this. So that is criticism. You will definitely like criticism in that time. And doing daring act means like raising voice against a powerful person. That is a daring job. So if you are an idealist, you will definitely do daring works. So you can proceed that you can become what? A social worker, environmental activist, NGO representative, rural development expert, public interest advocate, lawyer, communication expert. So communication expert means you are going to people, you are a social person, taking their views, asking about their problem, helping them, selfless. So this way you are a social worker. Environmental activist, you will think about environment, go to people, know about the environment, and that you will work for it. NGO representative, non-government organizations are there. You can be a representative, NGO representative. Rural development expert, like rural areas, villages where there are not the that basic facilities are there. So you will be a rural development expert. Public interest advocate, that if you are that this is against law with the public normal people, so you want to work for them, so you can be a public interest advocate. You can be a lawyer, advocate. Communication expert means you will be you will know the psychology of the common people, and you will become the communicative expert with dealing with all the people. So after knowing all these 5 kind of qualities that I have already written in the board, that adventurous, creative, enquirer, communicator, idealist. After knowing about all the 5 kind of nature, you can understand, you can identify yourself that who you are from all these kind of nature, which nature is yours. If you came to know that I am an enquirer, I am a that's adventurous, creative, so communicator, so you can that what I can do in future, what I can become. So this is it, and today I have completed this chapter, who I am. So I think that you enjoyed the video, you enjoyed the chapter. If you are having any confusion and any queries there, you can contact me. Till then, be happy, enjoy your day, a great day ahead. Bye bye. Thank you.